Multiply 0.8 by 460 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 8 is 48. The second partial product is 480. Now use the hundreds digit, 4. Start two places to the left. 4 times 8 is 32. The third partial product is 3,200. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 2 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 3,680. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 3,680 becomes 368.0. That is simply 368. So 0.8 times 460 is 368.